I'm gonna make a blueberry muffin cake with this crumb topping. Insane. All right, let's get started. So obviously we need some dry ingredients. I'm gonna start with 2 cups of sugar. And to that, I'm gonna add in 1 cup of oil. Need 1.5 cups of buttermilk. See, no real heavy equipment necessary. You can totally do this. Now, let's drop in 2 eggs. And I'm gonna add in some vanilla extract, to make it taste real good. For the dry ingredients, I'm gonna start with a little bit of salt and then some baking soda. All right, so here's my flour. And then with a spoon, I just wanna give that a mix. There are the blueberries. And then I'm just gonna put the batter right into a springform pan. I'm just gonna smooth it out. So the beautiful thing about this blueberry muffin cake is not just the blueberries, right? But the topping on the cake, which is buttery and crispy and really phenomenal, right? It's like what a really good muffin is all about. So let me show you how to whip that up. So into this bowl, I've got 2 sticks of butter at room temperature. Now to that, I'm gonna add some sugar because I definitely want to sweeten it a bit. A little pinch of salt makes all the difference in the world. And then some flour. Now you just want to get in here and get it all mixed up together. This is perfect. So I'm just gonna crumble this right on top of that cake, and then we're gonna get ready for this amazing lemon glaze that goes on top of this. Listen, let's bake. Cake is out of the oven. It's still just a little bit warm, so I'm gonna get in here like most blueberry muffins you should, and get in here and get me a good bite with the crumble. Let me see. Y'all, perfection in a bite. Moist. Beautiful blueberry taste, and the lemon on top, and that drizzle is fantastic. You have to give it a try.